Hello, Scott Oyler with the Oyler Group at Coldwell Banker West Shell, and today we're going to talk about what the market did in 2019 and what you can expect for 2020. 2019 was the tale of two halves, with the first half of the year being relatively slow compared to the second half of the year. Now, what we saw was a drop in interest rates in the second half of the year, which fueled that growth. We saw roughly a 1% drop in rates. The other thing that fueled prices to move about 6% in 2019 was the low inventory. We've seen this, we've talked about it almost for a few years now, and we had this continued low inventory with a lot of demand, in particular in the entry-level price point. So while the number of sales stayed relatively the same, we saw prices move up about 6% in 2019. So what can we expect in 2020? Well, I believe a couple of the trends are gonna remain relatively the same. The first being interest rates. I don't see them going over 4%. I believe they're gonna stay relatively low in 2020. Second, I believe that the inventory shortage will continue, in particular on that entry-level price point. Think about millennials. The largest segment of the millennial population is going to be turning 30 in 2020. And so there are a lot of them that are going to be looking to buy homes. Therefore, there will be a lot of demand and there will continue to be that inventory shortage. Third, I believe that here in Cincinnati, we're going to see some appreciation, 3-4%, maybe not as much as we saw last year, but I do feel we will fare better than the larger metro areas as there's been a lot of focus on affordability and our market is very affordable. So with that being said, we are getting ready to jump into the spring market. And what's the spring market? We say around here, it starts after the Super Bowl. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, now is the time to meet with your real estate agent to put a plan in place so that you're ready for the market in 2020. For more information or to schedule an appointment with a member of our team, please check out www.oylergroup.com.